everyone, here we have the 2019 Proton Exora RC. RC standing for running change. So no, it's not a facelift, and as you can see, it looks practically the same as before. Front end, nothing's changed. The only thing they changed is at the back. So if you want to follow me to the back, there's only a new shark fins antenna at the very top up there. And if you see the back here, nothing's changed again, it's the same. I would have expected to have a big Proton script down the center, but nope, there is this, wiper blade, and as well as an embossed Proton logo down here. So there's nothing much they can change, but the bigger change is the price. It now starts from under 60,000 ringgit. Can you believe that? That is lower than before. It's about 4,000 ringgit or less than the old car, with a lot more equipment inside. Let's go in. As for the interior, there is a much bigger change in here. The entire center console is new. It's not a night and day change, but working with the exact same platform, as you can see, it's a decent enough change to keep it looking fresh. There's this whole silver frame going around the big screen here. This is a 7-inch screen having the same high Proton infotainment functions as the facelifted Iris and Persona. It's not quite as advanced as the one in the X70, so you can't control the windows or sunroof because there's no sunroof, but it does have basic functions such as navigation and music controls. So yeah, that is pretty cool. I also like this new Proton script down here. Beyond that, it's exactly the same as before. Same engine, 1.6 litre turbocharged CFE. So that makes 138 horsepower and 205 Newton meters of torque, matched to a Punch CVT. But there have been quite a few refinements made to the entire car. The suspension, the NVH has all been improved slightly, and even the soundproofing slightly better. So for better, cruising wind noise, it's a bit less now. One big change is the lack of an SAT button for the CVT. Proton basically says no one's using it anyway, and it doesn't give that much of a benefit to anybody, so that's gone now. But then again, that doesn't make a difference. Another change is the upholstery. You now get a part leather, part fabric upholstery with this really nice pattern to it, and it also extends to the door cards over there. And then here you get a brand new instrument cluster. It's nicely lit. There's a big screen in the middle, so it looks better than the old car. Beyond that, it's about the same. Let's look at the backseat. Proton says this is the only affordable C-segment MPV, and looking at the size, that's quite true. As you can see over here, the doors open really wide. It's almost 90 degrees open, and there's a lot of leg room here. And you can also fit full adults in the last row, which you can't really do in two of its rivals, the Proto Alza and the Toyota Avanza. So there you go, a very quick introduction to the 2019 Proton Exora RC. The biggest point here is the price, starting from under 60,000 ringgit going up to just 66,000 ringgit for this premium variant here. To put it into context, this is about 4,000 ringgit more than the Alza Premium, but just look at it, this is a much bigger car with a lot more tech inside. What do you think of it? Let us know in the comment section below, and we'll have a review of this car very soon. Thank you for watching.